Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect FastAPI to handle file uploads, full guide step by step clearly. In this guide, we will learn how to connect FastAPI to handle file uploads. First, ensure you have FastAPI and Unicorn installed in your environment. You can install them using pip with the following command, pip install FastAPI Unicorn. Next, create a new Python file for your FastAPI application. Import the necessary modules by adding these lines at the top of your file. From FastAPI, import FastAPI and upload file. From starlet.responses, import file response. Create an instance of the FastAPI class. Define a route for file uploads using the @apppost decorator. In the route function, declare a parameter of type upload file. This parameter will receive the uploaded file. To handle the uploaded file, use the method called save or do other processing as required. For this example, we will save the file to a specified directory. Make sure to create that directory before running your application. Save the uploaded file using the file's filename attribute. Next, define a success response for file uploads. You can return a JSON response indicating the file has been successfully uploaded. To run your FastAPI application, use the command unicorn your filename app reload. Replace your filename with the actual name of your Python file. This will start the server, and your application will be accessible at http://127.0.0.1:8000. To test the file upload, you can use tools like Postman or curl. In Postman, create a new post request and set the URL to http://127.0. Under the body section, select form data. Add a key named file and set its type to file. Choose a file from your system to upload. Send the request and check the server response. If everything is set up correctly, you should receive a confirmation of the successful upload. In summary, we have connected FastAPI to handle file uploads by setting up a simple route. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.